everyone, Gil here at Great Man Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about jams and jellies. Oh yeah, we're talking food again. All right, jams and jellies. Now basically, there are two ways to look at this. Stuff you go buy in the store and stuff you make yourself. And if you really want to become a good prepper and everything, learn how to do it yourself. Learn how to grow what you need to do to process your own jams and jellies. But if you can't, you don't have the land, you're in an apartment, whatever, still you can stockpile up on jams and jellies, add it to your prepper pantry. Make sure you got plenty of however many jams and jellies you need for however long it is. Because jams and jellies, besides having the fruit in it, have a lot of sugar in it for energy and carbohydrates and stuff. So, look at your food supply. Make sure you can balance it out with jams and jellies. So not sweet desserts. All right. So if you're going to be raising it though, what all are you going to need to can those jams and jellies? Jars, pectin, lids, rings, water bath canner. You can also do it in a pressure canner. It's quicker, but most people do it in a water bath canner. And you can also do it the old school way where you have those the jars that have the hinged lids on it, have the rubber gasket on them, and you can use the paraffin wax for it as well. So there's a lot of ways to can jams and jellies. Look into it, do your research, figure out what works best for you, and practice it. Get going on it. All righty? So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps. Water, food, including jams and jellies, medicines, clothing, other items you need, and skills to do the things you need to do. Why? Well, this is why.